1966, what a great year for music and a great year for English football. The only time they've won the World Cup. And of course, bringing you today's tutorial with this classic written by Ray Davies from the Kinks, Sunny Afternoon. This goes out to anyone who's enjoying their summer. Great song for acoustic guitarists, 8 chords in total, and a very catchy descending bass riff. The first bar contains 2 open 4-string picks, and then we move to the 5th string on the 3rd fret and pick again another 2 times. For the second bar, we stick with a chromatic descending pattern. We move to the 2nd fret on the 5th string and then the 1st fret on the 5th string. For the 3rd bar, we then go to the open 5th string and then the 3rd fret on the top string or string number 6. For the last bar, we move to top string, 1st fret, play twice, and then we play the open top string twice also. Altogether, nice and slow, we have the full pattern. As mentioned, this is played twice throughout, or 8 bars in total, before we move into the verse. If you're not fussed with the bass riff and you would rather play the chords underneath, simply put, they are D minor for 2 bars and A7. As we move on to the chords for the verse and look at the strum pattern in a little bit more detail, we have 5 chords in total, those being D minor, C, F, C7, and A. Now, to make things a little bit easier, I've taken the time to put together a detailed tab and chord sheet. Simply go to the link down below and grab your free copy today. The detailed direction for the strum pattern is down, down, up, up, down, up. Keep in mind that the verse is played twice throughout before we head on to the pre-chorus. We then move on to the pre-chorus where we have a large variety of chords, which starts with the D minor, D7, G7, C7, the F, the A7, back to the D minor, G7, D minor. Now we have one bar which features 2 chords, G7, 1, 2, C7, 3, 4. A7. In full, the pre-chorus sounds like this. For the chorus, we're playing the same chords as what we did underneath the bass intro, and that is D minor for 2 bars and A7 for 2 bars. And if we put everything together we've gone through today, now it's over to you. Let me know in the comments what's your favourite song by the Kinks. There's plenty to choose from.